Hey there, amazing friends! Get ready for a thrilling adventure in the Learning Fun Zone, where every day brings a new opportunity to learn and have a blast.
Hi, little artists. Today we will make backgrounds. Think of them as special places for our characters' adventures. Backgrounds can be cities, forests, or even castles. It's like choosing where our story happens. What kind of environment does the story take place in? What makes it unique? What does the character's home look like? How does it reflect their personality? What kind of events happen in the world around the character and what do they love that they do. Now, setting mood with the backdrop. What color schemes can you use to evoke different moods? For example, you can add red color for danger and excitement. You can add blue color for making a calm atmosphere. You can add green color for nature and growth. What kind of lighting do you want in the backdrop? Like, can you use low lighting for something mysterious and suspenseful? Can you use some bright lighting for happy and optimistic kind of atmosphere? Or you can use harsh shadows for dramatic and tense effect. Background sound. So what kind of background sounds can we use to set the scene? For example, you can use some soft instrumental music, something peaceful, noisy and chaotic, up, upbeat music, energetic and adventurous. So let us go back to Scratch Junior home page. So as we discussed, we can make backgrounds happy with bright colors and a bit spooky ones with dark colors, right? That's really cool. When our characters go in these backgrounds, it's like a big adventure. We can make them do tell awesome stories. Now let us try this. So we have this one character and the second one is Dick. Okay, so these are the two characters and we have added this classroom background. We can click on this backgrounds and we can see there are different backgrounds over here. So this one is for library, this is for the road, so this is for the stage. So isn't it fun? You can choose numerous backgrounds, so here you can use universe also. To the backgrounds you can change the characters as well. So as we discussed, we have astronaut as well, so we can add that over here. So in this way we can change different backgrounds and we can also add our own background, like we can paint using the paint. Okay, so if we want to change, we can give this color as pink and we can add something. So if you want, you can add some flowers. So you can use your imagination over here and draw something nice. So in this way We can add our own backgrounds in Scratch Junior. It's super fun. We can create different stories using these backgrounds. So ready to start your adventure? Just follow these steps. So that's how we do backgrounds in Scratch Junior. It's super fun. Now you can create your own stories. Ready to start your own adventure? Just follow the steps for downloading Scratch Junior. The video for downloading Scratch Junior is mentioned in the description.
Hey, awesome coders! If you're having a blast, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our cool coding adventures. Just click that subscribe button and ring the bell. Keep learning, keep coding, and always have tons of fun.